Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you all are healthy and fit at your place. So, today we are here with a new video of Microsoft Word. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about the two topics that hyperlink and the bookmark, and we can also learn that how we can apply that both hyperlink and bookmark in our MS Word document. So for further detailed knowledge about that, let me move to our window screen where we can apply the practical work. So students, here in this video we will learn about the topic hyperlink, and we will also learn that how we can insert the hyperlink in our MS Word document. So first, I'll let you know that what is a hyperlink. A hyperlink is a word, phrase or image that you can click on to jump to a new document or a new section within the current document. Means it is a blue color link. It can be anything like a word, a phrase or a image. Just clicking on that, it allows you to jump to a new document or a new section or within the current document. Hyperlinks are found in nearly all the web pages, allowing the users to click their way from page to page. Means the hyperlink is a term that can contains by all the web pages. Means a web page can contains the hyperlink in the form of image, in the form of phrase, or in the form of a single word that allows the user to easily redirect from one page to another or from one point to another point in the same section or in the same document. Text hyperlinks are often blue and underlined, but don't have to be. When you move the cursor over a hyperlink, whether it is a text or an image, the arrow should change to a small hand pointing at the link. Means once you click or once you move the cursor over any text that is in the hyperlink form, or it can be of any images, but that all can be in the hyperlink form, then the arrow of your mouse cursor will turns to the hand pointer. When you click it, a new page or a placed in the current page will open. Basically, the main use of hyperlink is to redirect the user while they are clicking on a particular link. Now, here are few steps that tells you that how to insert a hyperlink in a web page. So for that, we have to follow few steps. First, we have to open our MS Word. Then we have to type the appropriate text in the Word document. Then with the help of mouse or the keyboard, highlight that particular text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. For example, in the picture below, the text Computer Hope website is highlighted. In the menu bar or the ribbon at the top of the Word program window, click on the Insert tab. On the Insert tab in the Links click section, the hyperlink or link option is available. In the Insert Hyperlink window, type in the web page address you want to set the highlight text to link to in the address text field, and we have to click on the OK button. By using this method, you can insert or you can create a hyperlink in your MS Word document. So for further practical work, we will move to our MS Word window. So now, if we want to perform the hyperlink operation in MS Word, so first we have to open our MS Word document. So we already know that to open the MS Word by using the run menu, the shortcut is WinWord. We have to type the WINWORD directly, and then we have to click on the OK button. Once we click on the OK button, then the entire screen of MS Word will appear on your screen. Suppose my MS Word document has contained a text that contains the information about the hyperlink. So one thing that I have to do here, if I want to make or if I want to make any of the text hyperlink, so here we have to follow few steps like this. Suppose I want to apply the hyperlink, so that hyperlink will found under the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, I have to click on the Links group. In the link group, the first option is your hyperlink option. So here, suppose I want to make this hyperlink as a word. So first I have to select this word and click on the hyperlink word. Then once you click on the hyperlink tool here, the Insert Hyperlink window or a dialog box will appear on your screen. Here you have seen four options. Number one, the existing file or web page. It allows you to link any particular or any pre-registering or pre-existing file that is already in your computer. You can link that particular file while using or while clicking on this link, like existing file or a web page. The next option is place in this document. Means if you want to insert any particular heading or any particular section of the same document as a hyperlink, then you can also insert it from here in the same section or in the same document. The next is create a new document. Suppose if you want to insert the new document, or if you want to create any new document on at that same time while you are working with the hyperlink, then you can just create that new document and you can link that with that particular document by using any of the word. The next is email address. By just clicking on this email address option here, you can link any of the email address. You simply have to type the email address. So we will do the practical of all the four options one by one. Suppose first I want to insert, or I want to use the first option, that is existing file or web page. Right now I have selected a work hyperlink, and if I want to make it as a hyperlink, if I want to use that word with a hyperlink, then I have to click on this link to option existing file or web page. From here I have to select the destination where my file is stored that I want to connect. Suppose I have to select the destination, my desktop here, and now I want to set up the file. I want to choose the file, then I want to make as a hyperlink. Suppose I want to assign this PDF1 is a hyperlink, then I have just selected this file and clicking on the OK button. Once I click on the OK button, here you have seen this particular word, that hyperlink will turns to the blue color, and it also contains a underline. Now I'll tell you how to use that hyperlink. Suppose if you want to use that hyperlink, simply you just have to click or press the control key by using your keyboard, and by using your mouse you can just click on the click button. Here you have seen, once you click on this link, then that particular file will open on your system. Here you have seen this, that one PDF, the name that this is the file that we have connected. So this is the one PDF. It is connected with that particular link or particular word. I hope you all are clear by that how we can use the hyperlink in our MS Word document. Now, the next thing is insert. Under the insert tab in the links group, the next option will be place in this document. So if we want to use this section, or if we want to use this portion, then first we have to make any of the word the heading. Suppose I have selected this word text and I want to make it as a heading, then I have to click on the heading one option. Now it becomes my heading. Now the next thing is, if I want to make this section word is a hyperlink for this text, so I have to just click on the section button, and under the links group inside the hyperlink text I have to just select on the place in this document. Here you have seen this is the heading, then I have to select that particular heading and click on the OK button. Once I click on the OK button, and whenever I click on the section button, then it will allow and it will directly redirect me to that text heading. You can use this for whole your document to a particular section also. So here I thought both the two hyperlinks are clear. Now I'll let you know about the third tool. That the third tool is create new document. So for that, what you have to do, you just have to select the another word. Suppose right now I'm selecting a word web. This is the pages. Then I have to select the third option, create new document. Here I have to type the name of the document that I want to create right now. Suppose the name of my document I'm giving that 1234, and I'll just click on the OK button. Here you have seen a new document that 1234 will create on your screen in the Word format. So I thought this is the third practical that is clear to you all, that how we can insert any new file at that same time. The fourth thing is that email address. So for that we also have to select a particular word, like I have selected this word from. Then I again have to move to that particular location in the hyperlink. I have to select this email address here. I have to type the email address. Suppose I'm writing here the email address of my ID Anshu Arora 291 @gmail.com. Once I write the email address, then I have to click on the OK button. Here you will see, whenever I'll just click here, then it will redirect to me a particular account. Like if I'm logging with the new account like Outlook, Gmail, Google, then I have to click here and it will directly redirect to my particular account or the link that I have mentioned here. I hope you all are clear with all the 4 uses of hyperlink. So I'll again show you. Suppose this is my first example. I will click on the hyperlink, then it will redirect me to that particular page, that the PDF file one that I have created, like this. It will ask me the security code, and once I click here, you have seen that this file is open. And the next is section 1, so it will redirect to me the text portion. The next is in that pages. If I'll click, then it will allow, or it will move to me that particular 1 2 4 3 4 file that I have created right now. And in the fourth step, if I'll click on this from page, and so it will redirect me to a particular mail ID location. But first the choice is it is already opened in my computer system. I hope you all are clear with the hyperlink practical. So here our next topic is bookmark. A bookmark in MS Word to help us to locate the certain point or a part of the text. Basically, it is a feature used to jump anywhere within the document. A bookmark in MS Word means that any location or content in document can be saved with its corresponding names, and the same location or content can be navigated by a bookmark name at any time in the future. Means a bookmark, it is an important feature of MS Word that allows the user to access the same location or the content that he or she left, and it can be also navigate by using any particular name, and it can be easily accessed by the user in future. Here are few steps that how to locate a bookmark in MS Word. So for that, firstly we have to put our cursor at the place where the bookmark goes. Of course, you can select a part of a text or a bookmark. Then inside the insert tab, we have to click on the links group. In links group, the bookmark icon can be found like this. Here you have seen that in on your image. Then in the bookmark dialog box, we have to type a bookmark name. It can be anything. Then finally, we have to click an add button. Here, we are following some steps then how to delete a bookmark from a Word document. For that, first, when we finish the processing of a document, you will need bookmark no more. Certainly, you can delete them. Repeat step 2 and 3 and step 3 in how to create a bookmark in Word document. Then in bookmark dialog box, select a bookmark and then click the delete on the right. Now, we will apply these steps in the practical knowledge. So here, this is my MS Word document, and if I want to apply the bookmark in the same document, then first I have to select the location, that particular location till where I have read the document. Suppose I completed the reading of my document till here, then under the insert tab inside the book link group, we have to select the bookmark option. Here we have to type the name of the bookmark. Suppose I'm writing here the mark 1. It is the name of my bookmark, and I have to select it by the name or the location. It can be depend upon my thing. Then I'll just click on the add button. Once I click on the add button, then I have to click on the save option. Suppose the next day when I'll come and want to see my document again, then I again have to go to the bookmark, and once I click on the bookmark, then I'll just click here and I have to go to the go to option. Here you have seen a day before yesterday when I save my file with a bookmark, then I left it from here, then again it redirect or it takes me to that particular location where I create the bookmark. So by using this space, we can make our document reading much more easier. I hope you all are clear with the thing that how to create a bookmark in your MS Word document.
So students, that's all about today's information. If you have any doubt, any queries related to the video or the things that we discussed in our video, so you can contact me, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, or you can drop a message in the Dropbox. And one more thing that you have to keep in your mind, you have to complete your work and forward it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.